Here we're going to find the difference quotient. In this class, we will give you a formula for the difference quotient. Here, in this example, we're going to do find f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. I've given us a quadratic to find the difference quotients for, so that you can see one of the more complicated types that we're going to possibly run into in this course. The first thing I do is find f of x plus h. So I'm going to put in x plus h wherever I have x in my function. So I'm going to have negative 3 times x plus h squared plus 2 times x plus h minus 3. And I'm going to subtract f of x from that. So I'm going to put in a negative. I'm going to put parentheses around f of x because I want to make sure to get this negative distributed. And then I'm going to just put down f of x. This is all over h. Now I need to simplify this. Distribute everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is find x plus h squared. I'm going to actually just pull this right out over here and do x plus h squared. So this x squared plus 2xh plus h squared goes in for x plus h quantity squared here. So I'm going to now multiply it by negative 3, or distribute my negative 3 to x plus h quantity squared. And this will give me negative 3x squared minus 6hx minus 3h squared. And then I'm going to distribute 2 across the parentheses here, so it's going to be plus 2x plus 2h minus 3. And I'm going to distribute my negative across the parentheses here and add 3x squared, subtract 2x, add 3. And all this is still over h. I'm now going to combine like terms. If I've done this correctly, everything that doesn't have an h in it will end up canceling out. So I've got negative 3x squared and positive 3x squared. They add to 0. I've got positive 2x and negative 2x. And I've got negative 3 and positive 3. So this is going to leave me with negative 6hx minus 3h squared plus 2h all over h. I'm going to simplify this by factoring out an h from the numerator. 6x minus 3h plus 2, all divided by h. My h's can now divide out, and I'm left with negative 6x minus 3h plus 2. In this class, I accept this answer as correct. Elsewhere, you may be asked to factor a negative 3 out and get 2x plus h plus 2. Both of these answers would count as correct for this class. Thank you.